So in WordPress, whenever you're finding out themes and you apply them, it might not actually support full site editing. So the editing might be limited depending on the themes that you use. But let's say you want to find themes that has full site editing support. In that case, you can simply go around and let me just filter it out by the free themes right here. And in the search theme section, I'm just going to go around on the feature, and over here you can see that I can search for themes according to the features as well. So I'm just going to type in, let's say, full, and then you can see that full site editing is an option. If I were to go ahead and choose this, then what happens is that it will filter out the themes with full site editing enabled. So you can see that these are the themes with full site editing, so you can simply go ahead and choose the one you like. Let's say, for example, I want to utilize this particular theme, and this supports full site editing now that as I know, so I can simply go ahead and activate out this design. So once I go ahead and do that, this theme is applied. So if I were to go ahead and view the site, then you can see that I have the theme applied with my content, and now I know that full site editing is actually supported in this theme, so I can customize the site according to how I want. So that is how you can go ahead and search and use themes that supports full site editing inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.